Hey guys, so recently I've been looking at a lot of YouTube videos how the audio that you put in a video can not also help you tell a story of the story you're trying to tell in the video, but also it kind of adds more of a dynamic field to the viewer, and it kind of makes you feel like you're closer. So watch, this is the first video that I took today. With no edit. This is just how I got it, just raw, and this is how it sounds and this is how it looks. And it doesn't sound bad, right? I mean, but it just doesn't give you that cinematic feel, you know? So now this is the video now with color grading, and also I added a bunch of sound effects, and this is how it sounds. As you can tell, it just helps paint the bigger picture of the story, and it just makes it feel more cinematic. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial thing, I guess. But if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more content soon, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.